Hello and welcome to another Excel tutorial. In this video, we will be creating a stationery order spreadsheet. We will cover how to create formula to display a total for each stationery item ordered, create a formula to calculate the total by the entire stationery ordered, center the spreadsheet heading across this worksheet, format all text displayed including the rotated text labels for quantity ordered and unit price. Adjust the cell height and width to accommodate all the text. Step 1. Creating formulas for individual item totals. Let's start by calculating the total cost for each stationery item ordered. We have a list of items, quantities ordered, and unit price. In cell D3, we'll enter the formula equal to quantity ordered D2 into unit price C3 to calculate the total cost for the first item. Then we'll drag the fill handle. You can see the small square at the bottom right of the cell. Uh, Down to copy the formula to the other items. Step 2. Calculating the total order cost. Now let's calculate the total cost for this entire stationery ordered. In a cell below the items, let's list type. Let's type in order total. And in the adjacent cell, let's put the formula equals to sum of the total. That is D3 to D11. Step 3. Centering the spreadsheet heading. To center the heading across the worksheet, we need to first select the cell where the stationery order heading is located. As A1. And you can from E1 to D1, I will drag and select the entire row. And under the group alignment, we have merge and center. We'll click on that. Next, formatting according to the specifications. So, what are the specifications we had? Is the font will be sans serif and the size will be 12. So let's just select the text. Let's just select the text we have, all the text we have, not the numbers. And that I have done with the help of control and the right click. And then we'll go to the font, that is sans serif. Find it as this and size 12. Okay. Now there's a number formatting doesn't feel right, so we'll put probably a dollar sign over here. So under number category we have a dollar sign here. Similarly for this United States, right? So we got a dollar over it. Now adjusting cell height and width to make sure the all text fits comfortably within the cells. So as here we can see, it's not fitting comfortably in the cell. So what we are going to do is hover your cursor over the boundary between any two columns headers, for example A and B, and double click to automatically adjust column widths. Voila, we did it. And then there you have it. We have successfully created a stationery order spreadsheet in Excel, complete with formulas, centered headings, and properly formatted text. Uh, so I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.